Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to talk about dry cough, what causes it, and how to treat it at home. A dry cough is a cough that does not produce any mucus or phlegm. It can be very irritating and annoying, especially at night. A dry cough can have many causes, such as allergies, asthma, acid reflux, postnasal drip, or infections like COVID-19. So, how can you get rid of a dry cough? Well, there are some home remedies that may help you soothe your throat and reduce your coughing. Here are some of them. Honey and lemon. Honey and lemon are natural ingredients that can help ease your cough and throat irritation. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, while lemon has vitamin C and antioxidants. You can mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a cup of warm water and drink it several times a day. You can also add some ginger or garlic for extra benefits. Saltwater gargle. Saltwater gargle is a simple and effective way to clear your throat and reduce your cough. Salt water can help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation in your throat. You can dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle with it for a few seconds. Repeat this several times a day until your cough improves. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation can help loosen the mucus and phlegm in your airways and make it easier to cough them out. Steam can also moisturize your throat and nasal passages and relieve congestion. You can inhale steam from a bowl of hot water with a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or lavender. You can also use a humidifier or a vaporizer to add moisture to the air in your room. Cough suppressant. If your dry cough is very severe and interferes with your sleep or daily activities, you may need to use a cough suppressant. A cough suppressant is a medication that can help reduce the urge to cough by blocking the cough reflex. You can buy over-the-counter cough suppressants like dextromethorphan or codeine from your local pharmacy. However, you should not use them for more than a week without consulting your doctor. You should also avoid them if you have asthma, COPD, or liver problems. These are some of the home remedies that may help you treat your dry cough. However, if your dry cough persists for more than 2 weeks, or if you have other symptoms like fever, chest pain, shortness of breath, or coughing up blood, you should see your doctor as soon as possible. Your doctor can diagnose the cause of your dry cough and prescribe the appropriate treatment. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health-related videos. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.